Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. In the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord if you want to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And if you want our daily signals, you can join us in Patreon. The link of our Patreon is down description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today here, the daily candle here is finished and it gave us exactly how us we accepted before. If you watch our yesterday video, we told you all that here, but some people they don't want to watch all the video. That's the problem here. We told you we got here a very clear double top here. Look at it here. You see it or no? Now when I draw on top of it, you got a M or whatever you want, name it. The most important to know how to trade them. Shall we enter short here in the daily? Not yet, my friend. Here in the daily, what I told you here before. If you watch our yesterday video, you will dive you know all those things. We told you we got here a very clear inside bar. Till now we haven't break it above and we haven't break it down here. So till now we don't got any entry short clear here in the daily. Everything is so clear, guys. And here look at the double top I'm talking about. I show you even we got here a divergence. I show you all those things, but till now there is no clear picture for us to enter short. It need the market to break down here. How is going to break? It's need a daily candle to do like that, to close below that line here. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in the daily, what shall we do? In the daily there is a correction going to come, guys. There is a dump is going to come. Tell where? I'm going to tell you exactly tell where. The dump is going to come to touch here the 200 moving average, which is here at that level exactly here at 28,300. That where it's going to fall down the Bitcoin till down here. From here we're going to see if we are going to go up and to break that last high, which is here, that one, or no. By the way, if you want to join us, guys, we are very highly legitimate crypto traders. If you want to join us and to benefiting from our free daily signals, the link of our Patreon, which is down. You can ask people in our Telegram, in our Discord. We used to give them free signals there. All of them, they used to be killing it. Now we decide to make it paid. So you can even join us there. So here in the daily, everything is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the coming news, which is coming today. Today, by the way, we got a very busy day. Today, we don't need to trade at the time of the news, which is going to come at 12:30. You need to be careful, guys. What we got, average hour earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. The picture is too clear, guys, here. At that time, don't open any trade. And here, our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here. What it telling us? All US market is falling. And I tell it to you in Monday, when Monday candle close, I tell it to you, I told you all the week we're going to see a falling market. Another thing very important here, which is that one, the VIX. The VIX, what it telling us? Currencies go back. People, they started selling. Look at it. From 13, we go back to 15. Should we be scared here? No, my friend. Me, I'm waiting the correction to fall down more, and I'm going to buy more SP500. By the way, if you want our long-term investment for the SP500, you can join us in Patreon. Over there, we're giving you a plan for long-term investment. Over there, you're going to benefit from our investment plans. The plans also we're giving to our hedge fund here in London, you're going to get it by $5, guys. So it's up to you. Also, we're charging people here a certain amount percent, but you're going to pay $5 per month. You can get all those things over there, but it's up to you. Here, US dollar today, it fell down. Yesterday we used to be 103, today 102, guys. You see it or no? Should we be worried? Not yet, not yet. Everything is too clear. Let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, what I told you in the last video. We came here, we do it like that. And down here, we do it like that. Yes or no? That channel here, or the distribution level I told you before, I told you either it needs to be broken up or down here. Is it getting broke here in the top? No. Did it getting broke down here at that level? No. Look at it. Very clear in front of you. It hasn't getting broke yet. For swing traders now, make a close eye at that one. If any candle came and do it like that and closing below that line here, and me are changing the color to be red like that, if it close below here, you can enter short. You put the stop loss here in the top. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator today makes something new. Enter here to the place where is the bears they controlling. Should we enter short now at that level here? Should we enter short? No, not yet. It's need to break that channel I just show you. That distribution level I just show you in 4 hours. If it doesn't get in broke, that one is just an oscillator, and I said it thousands of times. We don't need to follow oscillators. Also, we need to follow the chart what it's telling us. And the chart now it hasn't breaking down, so there is no entry short yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, it used to be here at the overbought area. Yes or no? Level we used to be in a very stronger level. For also enter short, what me I told you it need to break that channel. That one here, look at it, very clear channel. Till now it hasn't break it down, so there is no entry now. And I just say it now in our VIP Discord. It's going to happen here a correction, because we used to have here a very clear head and shoulder in 1 minute chart. Some people they told me I'm following chart in 1 minute and those things. I'm going to explain that when we came to 30 minutes. So here for swing trading there is nothing yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin what it's doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are for scalping and day trading, guys. Over here, yesterday, also we give you here a enter to enter short base on that one, I think. That one here. We used to have here a triangle here, that one. It's getting a fake out here. We put stop loss here. Yes or no? Then it happened all the jump till up here. And me, I put it as a picture. I put it like that. Exactly like that. I put it in the Telegram channel. I told them if it's breaking above here, enter long. Then some people, they haven't enter long. So it's not my fault, because me, I've been in my job. I got businesses. I need to go to check them, what they doing, what they not do. So I need to go there. Then the Bitcoin, it go up till here. It had stop loss for those people. Then some people, they came to me. They started swearing at me. For me, I doing a favor on you. I give you free daily signals. You're making nice money with me. Then you came, you started insulting me, swearing at me. What I have done to you? That's why me, I said, you know what? From today, I'm not going to give any free signals. Some people in my Telegram, they started begging me. Then me, I said, you know what? I'm going to give you 1 week. After 1 week, if I don't see any support from you in our YouTube channel, there is no free signals anymore. Then here, look what happened. It gave you here a very clear double topple, but from here you enter short till down here. In the VIP channel, also we enter from here, a short from here till down here. Here I tell people, I just tell it to them now. We got here a very clear head and shoulder. Now here at that level, what we got? Let me show you what you got here at that level here. If you came here and I show you my chart, you see it or no? What did I got here? A very clear triangle or wedge or name it whatever you want, from here and here and here. Told you enter long or short. If it came and breaking above here in that level here, yes, you need to enter long, guys. If it's breaking down here, you need to enter short, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator, look at it what it's telling you. Also we enter here to the oversold area. Another very important thing, let me show it to you. That one here, you got a very clear divergence, guys. Look at it. it. Here you got a very clear divergence now, and even if you came to the one here, to the one here, and you came to the one here, to the one here, you got a very clear divergence here. Should we enter long? It's need the price action to tell us that. Now also we can enter long, we can enter short. It's need the price action to tell us that. Everything is too clear, guys? That's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could, even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.